Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your premium features in Goodnotes aren't unlocking even though you have paid, it usually means the app can't verify your subscription. This is common and fixable. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the subscription not recognized issue in Goodnotes in 2026 quickly and safely. First thing first, tap restore purchases. So open Goodnotes, go to settings, for example, tap restore purchases. So it should be here, okay, after you unlock your premium account, okay, because resyncs your subscription instantly is the most thing that you have to do now. So this fixes most cases, okay. First, the second thing you can do is check you are logged into the correct account. So make sure you are using the same account used to purchase, okay, because you have to have Apple ID, which is iPad or iPhone. You have to have, for example, Google accounts that's related to Android, or Goodnotes accounts if applicable, okay, because mismatched accounts means subscription not found. You can also verify subscription status, so check if your subscription is active on iPad. For example, open settings app, tap your Apple ID and tap subscriptions, and you can see what are the subscriptions you are subscribed to. On Android, for example, open Google Play Store and tap profile and then tap payments and subscriptions and confirm it's active, okay. You can check internet connection too, because the internet is also related to this problem, because for example, if your internet is weak, the app will not work properly with you. So use stable Wi-Fi, turn airplane mode on and off, because this is needed to verify purchase, okay. You can restart the app, so close Goodnotes completely, for example, okay, and reopen it after that. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.